Let's unbox my brand new MacBook Pro. Should I tear this off or remove the glue? Oh shit, okay then. One down. Damn. How do I take this out? ऊपर आ जाना चाहिए बिना फटे. Perfect. So this is our MacBook Pro M4 Pro chip. The box has MacBook, some books, cable. I think below this we have this charger. This is our MagSafe cable, black cable. I think it's how many meters, not specified written. This is a MagSafe cable by Apple. This is some manual designed by Apple in California. We know that. And this is a charger power adapter of 70 watts, Type C. We'll keep this aside and now we'll unbox, open our Mac, remove the cover and see what's inside. Sound सुन रहे हो guys? पेपर हटा दिया है. And this is our MacBook Pro. We have HDMI Type C. And this is something I don't know. शायद ये SD card का option है. On left side we have MagSafe charger, 2 Type C Thunderbolts and 1 aux. Now let's open this and see what's the welcoming note. Isn't it looking too good? It's midnight black. Now let's start and see the software. Okay. This is a fresh midnight black M2 Pro. Let's remove this. Okay. Hello. We will go forwards. यहाँ पे लिखा है भाई हिंदी, पहले नहीं आ रहा था. We will choose English of India and move forward.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. So guys, we are in. It says welcome. Finally, after the setup, this is how it should be. Get started. So this is our home screen. We have by default calendar, weather and photos widgets on our home screen. This is our bottom nav bar with all the applications. Here is our notification part. We have this calendar and time. We have control center here. As you can see, the theme is of Tahoe, liquid glass theme. Battery is 83% right now for a fresh new Mac. Let's explore the apps, what we are getting. Apps by default. These are all the apps pre-installed in our new Mac. Now we will do base setup like installing VS Code, our Google profile, etc.